All right, so we're going to start off by looking at miner pool stats. Here you can check out all the different mining pools for Kaspa and their activity, like what's their overall hash rates. And you can pick from one here that you want to mine to. So we're going to scroll down and click on the kaspa.org link. It'll take us to the official website. On the official website here, I encourage you to go just read up on Kaspa, see what they're all about. Look at the features that they have, what the project is all about, and see if this is a project that you want to start mining. Once you check that out, we're going to go to the Kaspa wallet website. You'll find a link in the description below. Put in a password, something complex with letters, numbers, capitals, lowercase, letters, numbers, symbols, all that kind of stuff. You want to make it as complex as you can. Once you click on next, then it's going to go to the recovery seed. Make sure you write this down on paper because in case you lose your password, you're going to need that. So just in case you did forget, you can click on that back button. It'll bring you back here, and then you can write it all down on paper. So you want to make sure that you write down the word and the number associated with the word, such as tool and 1, because it'll ask you to kind of paraphrase this recovery seed to make sure you did write it down. So here it asks, what is the third word? And we'll say what our third word was, and you just click on it. And now it's asking what is the fourth word. So this is why you want to make sure you write that down. Once you pass the test, you hit OK, and there's your wallet. So now you officially have a Kaspa wallet. Super easy. You're going to make sure you write down that receive address, because that is the address for your wallet. Anytime you mine to that wallet. So next up is Hive. In Hive, what you want to do is create a new flight sheet and a new wallet. So if you click on flight sheets, here it'll ask you like what coin you want to mine, what's your wallet, the pool, etc. First, you may not make sure that you make a wallet before you actually go to the flight sheets. So we're going to go make a wallet, and you just go to wallets, then add wallet. There we go. And we're going to say we want to make a Kaspa wallet. So scroll all the way down to get to Kaspa. You can also type it in to get a short list. There we go. Now it asks you for your address. You can simply click on that copy button and paste it right in there. And click create. All right, now it's time to make the flight sheet. So you're going to click on flight sheets. Then you're going to click on the coin and type in CAS for Kaspa. Type in your wallet and the pool you want to mine to. So we're going to be mining to Hero Miners. And you want to select a location that's closest to you. Latency is important. And then we're going to select what type of miner. We're going to use LOL as our miner. So LOL miner. Then click on Setup Miner Config. Now over here, you want to get a couple additional pieces of information. So what we're going to do is going to go to Kaspa, KaspaHeroMiners.com, and we are going to go look up our mining address that's closest to your physical location or your miner's physical location. So what we want to do is find the right address and copy that. Then we're going to go back to our Hive and paste it into the pool server section. Next, we want to find the port. So we're going to be GPU mining. So you got to make sure you find the port number for the GPU mining. Copy that and put that into the port section. Next, we want to set up our extra config arguments. So these are the settings that are going to be used for the type of cards that you're mining. We're mining with about 3080s, 3070s. So we're going to go off to hashrate.no/GPUs. Go look up Kaspa and go look up your GPU and then click on Kaspa. And then we'll find some settings that work for the type of card that you have. So here's our card. What we're going to do is copy these settings, paste them into here. And under pass, we want to make sure that's blank. And then click apply changes. Done. So now you have your wallet set up in Hive. You have your new flight sheet, which we're just going to name here test video, and click on create flight sheet. All right, so now we're going to go to one of our mining rigs, and we're going to click on flight sheet. We're then going to find the flight sheet we just made, hit the little rocket icon, and that will apply the flight sheet to that mining rig. Give it a few seconds, it will start mining, and once it kind of ramps up, you'll see the total hash rate that that rig is giving off. And then what we can do is go to another site and go check out, what's our potential profit that we're getting, like a profit calculator. So we'll show that in just a moment. Just checking out the hash rate here. Awesome. There we go. So that looks about right for the cards that we're holding. So let's jump over and check what our profit's at. Minerstat.com, and we go look up Kaspa or Cas. Put in your hash rate and hit calculate. You can also add additional things here like your wattage and all that to get a more accurate reading. But it'll tell you basically what you're looking at right at this moment, profit-wise. Thank you for joining us, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write some comments below.